All right. The hits just keep on coming with this project, man. This thing is fighting the whole goddamn way. All right. First, start off with the good news. Wheel wells are done, coated. Just the edge has to be finished, and I'll get to that. That's easy. The doors, we got those to sit nice and flush. Just adjusted the striker. So we got those two things knocked out today. Now, the issue, this quarter, this side, fucking sucks, man. It's real pain in the ass. So here's what I'm basically dealing with right now. So you see this line here, this circle radius. So this radius I put in here to match up with the bumper. There's a line in the bumper that comes down just like this and goes back. This little body line, it's not super, it's not as aggressive as these up here, but it's subtle. Okay, you can basically just see it, but it's not super aggressive. All right. So this obviously I drew in just to have a line to go off of these, right? Now, the issue is it's too fucking big. It's too thick, okay? The problem with that, let me show you. So so as you heard in the other video, this section from right here up on the quarter panel is the sedan WRX quarter. This taillight pocket is the wagon. So what they did is they cut out and put in the sedan to match up with the sedan, wider body or whatever the case is. And this bumper is a sedan bumper. So this body line should line up. When they put that on, should have lined up with the bumper. Now, what I have here is a piece of a sedan quarter. That little line right there is the body line. You really can't. It's hard to see with the phone, but I basically traced it. And that's where the body line would be or should have been on this thing. Now, which one of these is not like the other, right? Fucking little bit of a difference there, bro. Little bit of a difference. So if I pop this in here, here's the problem. Now if I replicate this, bear with me. About half an inch in front of that body line, which would be pretty goddamn noticeable, when it comes to painting and all that stuff. But you see how much of a difference that line is compared to the line I drew on the car? Significant. Like I said, it's the same difference as down here. That difference on the bumper is translating up to here. Now, the issue is that this bumper is not going to move anywhere. It's not going to move forward anywhere. Obviously, you can move it back, but that's going to, unadjust all that. You know what I mean? It'll stick out. But you can't move it forward. Because they put the fucking quarter in wrong. So that's what I'm dealing with right now, man. It's so that then you go to the other side, which he did second, the customer told me. And now you look at this body line, it's going to hit right here, and it should fall where it's supposed to, right on around. What's up with that? What is up with that, bro? You can also see we got, like I said on the previous video, we got about a half an inch of overlap. You got about quarter or, maybe an inch on the other side and a half inch here. I don't know. So yeah, man, it's pretty annoying. It's pretty annoying. It's actually really annoying. It's really annoying. Another good news, these lines and all that stuff are coming out decent. Like I said, we got that nice to the door, and I still got to finish it up with some light stuff. But as you can see, I've just been doing thin layers, and sanding it down, blocking it. I kept a gas cap in here. That way I could use that as a guide when we do the blocking. That way, these lines. Look at that, huh? Nice, nice. Follow right along where they should. And same with the door. That's why I kept the back doors on, because I knew I was going to need them for guides. God damn it. So you can see the body lines go right through the door, right through the gas cap, and then there should flatten out, taper off on the wagon rear right there. So that's what I'm dealing with, man. That's the update of the day. Fucking nightmare, man. That's why when people do a fucking big job like this, dude, you can really fuck it up. You can really fuck it up. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, because I don't want one side, that big, and the other side half inch smaller. It's gonna look fucking silly, you know. So that's what we're dealing with. Otherwise, that's all I've got for today. Like I said, wheel wells good to go. I'm gonna figure out this body stuff tomorrow, and then I'm gonna tear down the rest of the car as soon as this stuff's close to being finished. It's gonna get primed, and then it's gonna sit. I'm gonna let it sit for at least a full day in primer. That way it can shrink and cure and do its thing before I block it. And yeah, we'll get the rest of the parts prepped up. Get all the new parts like the fenders and all that stuff scuffed. Get these doors off. Get them prepped. But yeah, just want to share my frustrations with you guys. Say what up to Drago, and we will see you guys or talk to you guys tomorrow. Wish me luck with this, please. Peace.